See top 10 reasons to learn cybersecurity. This section will motivate you to become a cybersecurity expert in your life. Reason number 10 is cybersecurity is an evergreen industry. Believe me guys, this industry will not fall down in future for sure. Cybersecurity has slowly transformed into evergreen industry. Like air pollution was a byproduct of industrial revolution, same with cybersecurity. Cyber attacks are similar byproduct of the digital revolution. Keeping this situation in mind and looking at the advancement we have made as a community since the evolution of the internet, I think it's an obvious conclusion that cybersecurity as a viable career option is here to stay for long. With the advance of topics like big data, Internet of Things, and cloud computing, the permanent status of cybersecurity and the magnitude of its importance has been very well set in stone. So, if you wish to learn cybersecurity in today's age, it is definitely a good idea for sure. Thank you. Reason number 9 is you will get a chance to travel the world with cybersecurity. For those of you who inspire to travel the global, cybersecurity might just be the perfect career path. Thousands of homegrown cybersecurity experts are working for protect businesses, government agencies, and general consumers on a global scale. The rise in cyber attack is outpacing the supply of defenders. This result in plenty of opportunities for cybersecurity professional and expert to travel overseas to serve their skills which are in high demand. Who doesn't like to travel the world on others expense? Honestly, I like, and I might be sure you also like that, correct? Hence, if you have ever wanted to work in different countries, then a career in cybersecurity might just be perfect job for you. That compromises our confidentiality, availability, and integrity. Even so, the number of cybercrimes are only increasing day by day. Millions of people are falling victim of phishing scam, ransomware and spyware, DOS and DDoS attacks, and many more. Don't worry, guys. You will learn about all the attacks in details in some upcoming videos. The online threat to companies, whether it is big, small, or individual, is very large and growing day by day. Around the world, national crime agencies, police forces, cybersecurity agencies all are fighting this menace, but they need more help. They need people like you. If you want the satisfaction of doing a rewarding job and if you want to make a real difference in the society, learn cybersecurity and join this industry. This is the perfect career path for you. The reason number 7 is you will get the chance to work with secret agencies and you will also get a chance to work for your country as a cybersecurity expert. It is certain that the cybersecurity professionals have a clear shoot at working with prestigious Fortune 500 companies like Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Apple, Dell, Infotech, etc. But the potential doesn't end there. Experts who prove to be worthy of their skill might earn the chance to work with top secret government agencies and intelligence agencies. Example: MI6, Mossad, NSA, RAW, GRU, and many others. So, if you learn cybersecurity, you might just become a top secret agent. How cool is that, correct? The reason number 6 might be a good news for some people. The reason is you don't need to be good at maths at all. It is completely fine if your math skills are very bad. See guys, it's a known fact that not everyone shares the same love or affection for maths that some people seems to have, correct? If you recognize yourself as a person who always had an allergy to mathematics like me, then a career in cybersecurity should be a good choice for you. Good cybersecurity courses are completely free from mathematics. Instead of you can spend time to learn skill like programming and networking, which will help you to build a career specific skill set. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Now we will discuss fifth reason. There is an unlimited potential for personal growth in cybersecurity. Why? Because cyber attackers are getting smarter by the day, and because of their smartness, cyber attacks are also getting dangerous simultaneously. Cybersecurity professionals are always busy in outsmarting black hat hackers, patching vulnerabilities, and analyzing the risk of an organization. Tackling such attacks is an only ever advancing industry which requires continuous study and throughout research. This means after you learn cybersecurity and start working, your knowledge is continuously enriched, and with experience your wisdom continuously get honed. And then after, the sky is the limit when we are talking about personal growth in cybersecurity. Now, moving forward, there are plenty of opportunities in cybersecurity. There are more than 1 million companies spread across different sectors and industries in this world. Most of the companies share one thing common today, that is internet. Nowadays, internet connection is required for every company and organization. There are currently more than 4 lakh people are actively working in cybersecurity industries, and demand of cyber skill in every type of company and government department is growing rapidly. So whether your dream of working in sports or fashion, media or emergency services, finance or retail, cyber skills can be your gateway, as everyone needs someone to defend their sensitive data from hackers. Now we are into our top 3 reasons. The reason number 3 is there are variety of industries to choose in cybersecurity. As a cybersecurity professional, you are not confined to a singular industry only, unlike a majority of professional world. Digitalization is taking the place across a lot of industries. With advancement in the field of automation, big data, cloud computing, autonomous, IoT, and data management, we could say that we are going through a digital revolution. So, being a cybersecurity expert doesn't stop you from working in a hospital, school, government agencies, top secret military agencies, and other agencies as well. The gates are widely open for you guys, as almost everyone wants to be secure on the digital front. I hope you are understanding my thoughts. Now, the second reason is it is a job that never gets boring. Doing same thing over and over again and again can make anyone bored, but not in this field. Due to the unpredictable nature of the future, a cybersecurity career is not and cannot be static and still. You will be challenged on a regular basis. There will be a new and unexpected failure, as well as amazing and surprising discoveries as well. One certainty is that attackers will continue to develop new exploit on a certain basis, and it is your responsibility to find creative and optimized solution for the arising problems. As a cybersecurity professional, you will be solving new puzzles, fighting off new demons, and supporting new activities on a regular basis. So, if you tend to easily get bored due to things being monotonous, fret not. Cybersecurity career will never get boring. Now it's time for final reason from my side. The reason number 1 is fat paychecks, or in other words, handsome amount of salary. I think we all can agree that money makes the world round. In other words, money is very much important in everyone's life. With the news of a new cyber attacks every week, the world has realized the importance of cybersecurity. Businesses and government agencies are looking for experts who can protect their system from cyber criminals. Trust me guys, they are willing to pay very high salaries to every cybersecurity expert. There are great opportunities for everyone who wants to start a career in cybersecurity. Yes guys, that's it from my side. I hope I am able to motivate you in order to learn cybersecurity. Bye guys, see you in the next session.